For 11th class business studies, next chapter is social responsibilities of business and business ethics. So business ethics has been deleted from your syllabus this year. Social responsibility of business we have to do. So what is the social responsibility of business? As business is taking so much benefit from the society, so it is the responsibility of business to do some work to do the welfare of the society. That is why we are talking about the social responsibility of business. When a business is fulfilling the social responsibility with the earning of the profit, then what happens? Then definitely there is a support of government and support of many NGOs with the business. Fine. So what is the concept of social responsibility? That has been introduced in business studies, where the stress is only on earning profit, earning money, and doing more activities in the economic point of view. So there are social responsibilities there with the business. That is the relate to the that definition is there. Voluntary effort on the part of businessman to contribute to the social well-being. So that is the voluntary effort. So it is not the force from the government side to do the social responsibility activities for the society. So it is the voluntary efforts by the businessman, on the part of businessman, to contribute to the social well-being. And it is very important for the businessman do all these activities. I don't say that always there is a voluntary effort by the businessman. Many times there can be some economic issues also in the mind of the businessman, because when a businessman think of the society, then it is always give a positive image to the businessman. That is why every type of business is there, and they are saying that we are contributing for this social welfare scheme, so purchase our product. And so many times it has been written on the product that purchase this product and the percentage of this profit will be used for the welfare of this particular section, maybe cancer patient, maybe helpage, like Helpage India, and many more. So in the terms of social responsibility, what we can say, that is the voluntary efforts on the part of the businessman to contribute to the social well-being. So this is the definition of the social responsibility which you have to mark. Then social responsibility, basically you can say that is the obligation from the of the businessman towards the society. That because the businessman is taking too much advantage from the society, society is giving human resource and all type of infra to the businessman, and without all these things business cannot run. So it is the responsibility of businessman to recognize all these efforts by the society or the facilities by the society. And the business cannot exist without the society, and society cannot exist without the businessman. So they both are correlated with each other. Fine. So they should recognize their each other's aspirations. So that is so. These definitions given over there, no need to learn these definitions as per the name of the author here. So you can simply explain the definition and go on with the topic. So next thing is the case for social responsibility. Why case for means you are favoring the social responsibility aspect of businessman towards the society. So there you are favoring that. So what is the case for social responsibility? First of all, self-interest. So it is the self-interest of the businessman. As I told you that this is the self-interest of the businessman to give the positive image in the public. So that is why businessman go on with fulfilling the social responsibility in the long run here. So what's that? Businessman is basically you can say the creation of the society, make use of the society. And if businessman fails to satisfy the many necessities of the society, then society can also revoke back. Society can also they can lose the patience. Society can revoke back all its resources from the businessman. So in the long run, it is very much necessary for the businessman to fulfill all the social responsibilities in terms of making hospital, school, and many other activities which should be run by the businessman in the society. Like in this global, what can be the question can be asked that what can be the social responsibility can be fulfilled by the businessman in this in this dangerous time of global disease, in this very calling time of global disease. So what can be the social responsibility? You will write the answer that in this time of global disease, many masks can be distributed by the businessman, and food or other sanitation facilities and other basic facilities can be provided by the businessman. And what can be social responsibility more can be fulfilled? The businessman can provide the full wages to the employees so that they can run their family, as in this global time everybody is not everybody is not accessible or reachable to the work. Many times there are many hardship due to this particular disease. So all these you can write in this case. So self interest is the of the businessman. In long run, if businessman wants to be in the business world, want to be with the positive image, that is very important for the businessman to fulfill all these social responsibilities. So next thing is better environment for businessman. So if businessman wants a better environment for himself, like the better people, they can work coolly and calmly in the business area, they will not fight. So all these things required by the businessman in the business premises. So that depends upon the quality of life they are living, these people are living, in terms of education, in terms of all other facilities. So if all the people living in the society are having good facilities, they are having a cool and calm environment at home or in the society, that environment can be created in the business area also. Because in the business area, businessmen also want such type of environment, such type of contaminated environment, or you can say harmony in the business area, so that people will not fight and they will do some productive work, they have some positive approach, and they are helpful to each other. So all these things, all these you can say attitudes he wants in their employees, and that can be imbibed from the society itself. So better environment for the business. If business will fulfill the social responsibility, for example, if business will open up the hospital, and that hospital facility is used by all the people over there at cheapest rate, then definitely they will be more thankful to the businessman, and they will be their problem will be solved. They have no need to go here and there for long term credit or more credit for medical facilities, because the businessman is fulfilling the responsibilities by providing school, hospital, park areas, and many other areas, many other facilities to the society. So in this way, better environment for the businessman can be developed, and better opportunities for the businessman will also be there in reverse. Now what about the third point, that is the public image. So image is very important for the businessman. For creating the image, businessman they spend lots of money, and suppose any welfare program run by the businessman, as you will notice that every time there is a there is an advertisement regarding that. No businessman do the financial all these social responsibility activities without announcing. So all the businessmen announce their activities, and pamphlets has been spread out, and many other information has been spread out by the businessman by through the labels that is on the product, or through the media. So all these activities, why? Because to improve the public image. So once there was a time that once Bill Gates visited India, and then he donated 100 crore for the cancer patient, and that was the news by that time. Why that was the news? Because he wants to improve the public image, that I am very good human being, I am thinking about the India, I am so concerned with that. So all these things are the public image the businessman wants to create. That is why he invests, that is why he give the money to all the people in the society. So and the image is very important. Good image can call for many expert employees, expert personnel in the company, and that can also a good public image can also increase the sale of the product, which can be easily done. So with the social activities done by the businessman. So next thing is avoidance of government interference. So government interference can also be avoided in this case, because if government sees that social responsibility has been fulfilled by the government, fulfilled by the businessman, because ultimately the the burden of social responsibility, or you can say that is the duty of fulfilling the social responsibility, that is with the government. Because government is a mixed economy, and here the social welfare activities program that has been bear up by the or that has been fixed up by the government. So if the government see that all the social responsibility has been filled up by has been fulfilled by the business, all business area which are present in that particular local area. For example, your school, if you can take the example of your school, there all the management over there, they have opened up school, they have opened up hospitals, then all these facilities are just at the center of the city for the for helping out the people. And so all these facilities, basically what it indicates, that there is a avoidance of government interference, and also a good public image, and you can say better environment for business. So self interest, all these equally responsible, all these equally reason for the doing the social responsibility. So many time businessmen do the social responsibility for avoiding the government interference, basically because government is interfering with many rules and regulation with the businessman. I'm not talking about the wrong thing done by the businessman, because in that case though, if you are doing the social responsibility, even then you will be in problem. So government has passed many act in this case, like consumer protection act is over there, so for the adulteration, black marketing and other type of malpractices. So social responsibility is very essential for the businessman to fulfill, for avoiding any type of government interference, and even then for avoiding any type of government interference, and altogether with this, many exemptions have been taken by the government for the business. So that is the basic purpose of the social responsibility, to avoid government interference in this case. If businessman is going on with fulfilling the responsibility, then there is a definitely no interference of government in the major decision taken by the businessman, and no objection from the government side, because government is having faith, and everything is going smooth over there. Fine. That if businessman is fulfilling the social responsibility, that means he is helping out the government for upliftment of the society, which is the main purpose of the government. Socially power, sometimes it is very important to be socially powerful. After becoming the socially powerful, they can influence the people, the business can influence the people, they can become the leader of the people many times. So become the socially powerful in the society, many times businessmen do all the activities, all these social benefit activities, like by providing them employment opportunities to the people, and also become socially powerful, so that they can they can influence the society, they can influence the people. Fine, in this way, because if you are feeling your responsibility, definitely you will have the power, because that is known as, it is the balance between the power and responsibility. So basically, if the business will be socially powerful, then it will affect the employment opportunities, distribution of income and economic growth as well in the society. And if businessman is not fulfilling the social responsibility, then the power can be taken by the government or NGOs or some other social groups. So here the next point is resources used for moral justification. So if you are talking about morally, many times businessmen talk about morally, that they are taking all the benefit from the society. Now it is the turn of businessman to return the benefits in the same way to the society by solving their problems. So businessman can solve the problem of the society, like they can run the night school where there is a lots of child labor and where there is a lots of poverty in the particular area. There the businessman starts that is schools and colleges. You can say that many celebrities also started many this welfare program. If they are earning so well from the channels, from the films, even then they will they are announcing, they are showing that we are doing all these activities, social activities, just for the moral justification. Moral justification means we have to give the society, if we are having lots of money, lots of power, then we have to definitely give back to the society, and that is our moral justification. Right? So solving the problem give them mental satisfaction also in this way. Contribution to social problems, so that is the major, you can say that is the major benefit for the society if the businessman is fulfilling the social responsibility, because many social problems are there, like pollution, creation of unsafe workplace, discrimination, sanitation, and education. So many problems are there, lack of hospital facilities are there. So all these social problems can be sorted out with the help of society, with the help of businessman. Businessman should take the initiative to remove all these problems and by opening hospitals, schools, and many businessmen are doing this also. Yeah, you can notice all around you that all the social benefit schemes, programs have been introduced by the government and introduced by the this particular businessman and carry on by the businessman in all the ways.